How to buy Steam gift card online. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, launch a preferred browser in your device. Search for steamcarddelivery.com. In here, you'll find various of Steam cards that you can choose and buy from. Make sure that you log in before a purchase. In order to get yourself a Steam gift card, just tap on the Buy Now button that is at the bottom of the gift card. After it, you will get the chance to select the quantity of the gift card that you want to purchase. In your right hand side, you will find your total. If you have any coupons or discount, you can apply in this dialog box to receive a discount. For the case, I have a new customer coupon. Once the coupon is applied, you will see some kind of discount in your right hand side in the dialog box. Tap on Proceed to check out for the final payment. Before that, make sure to log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you can add your payment method, either PayPal, credit or debit card. Then you'll get yourself your very own Steam gift card. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.